Hi guys, this is how to uninstall YouTube application from your Android phone. So all you need is to find YouTube application icon. If you don't have one on your home screen, you need to swipe up from the bottom and find the application in your apps screen. Most probably it's in the Google folder. So now tap and hold on the icon and tap on I icon, which stands for information. Now there should be uninstall button, but I don't have this button because in my case YouTube is pre-installed as a system app, so that I can't uninstall it unless I have root access. But anyway, you can disable the application. Disable app. Now let's go back to the home screen, and no more YouTube in my home screen, no more in my app screen. To enable it back, you need to go to settings on your Android phone. Now search for apps. Go to apps menu. Now find YouTube. It's disabled currently, and you can enable the application if you wish so. I need YouTube, so I'm enabling. That's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.